This is part 2 of Animal Facts number 5. Enjoy watching. 93. The wood frog spends 7 months of the year frozen. These Alaskan frogs freeze almost completely at the start of winter, with 2/3 of their body water turning into ice. To all intents and purposes, they seem dead. Their hearts stop beating and their blood flow stops. However, once winter starts to thaw, and so do they hop back to life. 94. Certain animals have antifreeze proteins that allow them to survive extreme temperatures. These antifreeze proteins prevent water in the cells of the animals from crystallizing and forming ice. Examples of animals with this superpower include the winter flounder and the eel pout. 95. Honeypot ants swell up to huge size with food. Honeypot ants have been seen to be believed. During wet season, certain ants consume large amounts of nectar, making their abdomen swell up to the size of a grape. Then, during dry season, they provide the other ants with food by throwing the nectar back up again. Yum! 96. The lesula, discovered in 2007, has giant human-like eyes and a blue bottom. This relatively newly discovered monkey lives in the Congo. The lesula eyes are very distinctive because of their human-like appearance, and as are their bright blue bums. 97. The Donald Trump caterpillar looks identical to the ex-president's hair. This species of caterpillar, prior to 2016, was known as the flannel moth caterpillar. It gained popularity as it is very furry and bright orange, giving it an uncanny resemblance to Trump's hair. This fur, however, is actually composed with multiple venomous hairs. Grabbing hold of one of these caterpillars is a painful experience. Excuse me. 98. Will shock you a bit. Bees have 5 eyes, 2 at the front like a fly, and 3 smaller eyes like a spider. The 3 ocelli eyes on the top of its head detect light, so the bee can sense if it's being approached by a predator. 99. Giant vampire bats lived 100,000 years ago and had a wingspan of 50 centimeters or 20 inches. These giant bats were roughly 30% larger than the modern vampire bats. The remains of one were recently found in a cave in Argentina. 100. There are no male mourning geckos. They are an all-female species, as they are parthenogenetic, meaning it can reproduce without males. Around 70 species in the world would have shown this behavior, including some crabs, snails, and a Komodo dragon. And our final fact of the series. 101. There are an estimate of 8.7 million species on Earth, and more than 80% of them are undiscovered. Based on the current data, complex statistics, and models, we can predict how many species there are on Earth. Telling us how many are still left to be found, it will likely to take another 500 years to find them all. That's all your animal fact today. Have a great day. See you soon.